Hello all, this is Dswank, and I am at the Oklahoma Gas and Steam Show in Pawnee. And for you space engineer folks, I think you might find this interesting. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing is just walking around filming what's going on, so yay. Alright, this is the machine shop. As you can see, steam coming out. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Alright, you've seen some of the stuff in the machine shop. You see that white tube up there, that's where all the steam comes through. Most of this is all different aspects. This big thing right here is actually a power generator, but I'm moving on around, and this right here is not really hooked up to anything, it's just free moving, and it kind of shows you how things would work. You've got this piston. It turns radial motion into horizontal motion, and you've got the actual steam device in the back. Now I can't get a good shot at it, but yeah. And we have this right here is, I'm trying to get a good shot of my dad's in play, but trying to get a good shot of just how slow the steam piston works, and some of the little bits of it as they move. And honestly, this place, watching these things, if you get up close, it's almost hypnotizing. Now that big pipe over near the door that comes in, that's where the steam comes in from the boiler, and I'll get to that in a bit. And I should be walking around. Okay, yeah, here we get up close. You got you see the cam right here, and just on the other side of it you have the flywheel, and on the other side of the flywheel is the power generator. I'm not sure if I get, because this is GoPro, I'm not sure if I get a close enough view where you can see the actual copper bits inside the far ring that are still, and everything else is moving around them. But this thing has generated power, and it's been run, or able to run, since like 1918, I think. 19, or maybe 1918 is when it was removed from the facility it was installed in, and they eventually got it. But yeah, that's the, yeah, you can see the copper rings and everything from this angle. And that's where basically electricity generation really hasn't changed much since this was developed. I mean, this is the same basic principle that nuclear power plants work on. You just generate steam another way. Now this little thing just off to the right, that's kind of the startup generator. And it's a smaller generator, and it can, they do demonstrations of linking the two of them together. and there's a little light bulb that you can see, yeah, just went off screen. They use that to see how the power is working and making sure that you mesh up the AC correctly so it doesn't like tear the generators out of the ground. And here's more steam vents. There's steam all over the place here, and coal smoke and everything else. And here, coming around the corner, that is the boiler and the wood. And I'm carrying the GoPro a little low because I'm trying not to. I got a lot of funny looks by it from everybody as I was carrying it up high. Nobody really liked being filmed for some reason. But yeah, Oklahoma steam and gas engine. I'm not sure what the association. Yeah, steam whistles. And I think in a bit I get a view of the them putting more firewood in. But I'll leave it back to the base audio. Dang, missed it twice. And that's what they're loading. I wonder if they're gonna whistle one.
Do what?
I wonder if they're gonna whistle at any point. That'd be kind of cool.
What time is it?
Oh, I don't know.
I imagine the
Whistle on the hour. Well, there's that building back there that had stuff running in it, if you...
Yeah. Well, we can do that in a minute.
Okay. The saw would be a good one to get video of.
That answer your question?
Yep.
Yeah, I was going to say I got to tie my shoes again.
Isn't that the craft building down there?
I wish I'd had the camera on when you did that.
I did. Alright, now this is what I think is a fire tube boiler, and as you can see, those are the tubes that the fire would come down. You've got the water would be in that pocket that the tubes are go through, and then on this end is the firebox, and yeah,
There's the firebox.
so fire goes in here. So, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and hit like, subscribe. I've got a couple more areas here at this show that I want to do some videos on, and they will be up shortly. Until then, bye-bye.